Hi and welcome to today's session on back bearings. Now what I'm going to be doing is using the idea of bearings where we normally calculate what degree angle we'd have to travel from one point to another to actually calculate how to get back from this point to our original point. But this is called a back bearing. So for my example, I'm going to use Spider-Man. Spider-Man travels on a bearing of 105 degrees to get to the Black Cat. But the problem here is that what is the bearing for Spider-Man from Black Cat? So rather than our bearing calculating going this way, which we know is 105 degrees, we're going to calculate the angle going backwards. But of course, this is still going to be from the north line. When we've got these problems in especially exam question situations, sometimes they don't give us a diagram at all. Sometimes they'll give us some points, but those, a lot of time they do not give this north line. In which case, if we have got it, use it. If not, we have to put in this north line because, of course, all bearings are measured from our vertical line from north. So we are going to use our notions of some angle properties. What I'm going to do first of all, our line of travel or our line of direction, we are going to extend this out. Now, this is to break up the angle that we have here and to make it a lot easier to calculate. Because, first of all, this angle here at the top has got to be 105 degrees because of our corresponding angle. Or some of you may know it as our F angle. As you can see here, the angles within the stems of our F have got to be the same, so corresponding angle. Please remember that on exam questions. Try and use the correct or the right terminology. It will help. Now, we've got 105 degrees for this. Now we've just got to calculate this bottom part. But some of you may have actually noticed that this is angles on a straight line. So 180 degrees or half a turn. Now, quite simply, we add these together, which gives us 285 degrees. In other words, travelling from the Black Cat to Spider-Man is a bearing of 285 degrees. And that's back bearings. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.